So, my dear student, this is my second lecture of the topic living world, and the topic is the diversity in the living world. So, as you know that it means biodiversity, which is defined as the number of and and types of organisms present on Earth. So, it is estimated that it is ranges between 1.7 to 1.8 million. So, and the term biodiversity was for the use for the first time by Walter Rosen, and it was popularized by Edward Wilson in 1985 or 86, whatever it is. So naturally we have so many organisms, we have to name them. So same organism, it is normally known by local name, which varies from place to place. So as against the scientific name, which remains same all over the world. So it was the Carolus Linnaeus, who is regarded as the father of taxonomy, who for the first time gave the idea of binomial nomenclature. By the way, taxonomy is a branch of science which deals with the identification, nomenclature and classification. So he was the first to assign biological name, binomial nomenclature, and he also gave the taxonomic hierarchy. So this I will deal with later on. First of all, identification. So suppose you observe anything, so you on the basis of certain characters you can identify it. After that you can name it, local name or scientific name, and after that, after nomenclature, we classify them to whether it is a monocot, dicot, and chordate, and so on, or as per the taxonomic category. Okay. So I told you, so he is regarded as the father of taxonomy because for the first time he gave binomial nomenclature and gave the concept of taxonomic hierarchy. So first of all, I deal with the binomial nomenclature. As the name indicates, bi means two, yani any organism, whether plant, animal, should contain two names. For example, Homo sapien is the scientific name of man, and the first name is genus and second name is called species. So, and similarly for the mango, it is Mangifera indica. So I must tell you the rule is the scientific name in Latin language. That's why it is a dead language, so there should not be any problem. So, and first and second thing is when the scientific name is written in italics and it is underlined when handwritten. So as I wrote, I underlined separately. So can we remember it? So first genus should start with the capital letter and a species should always be starting with the small letters. And what is Lin? Abbreviation of Linnaeus. It is referred to as the first this plant was described by Linnaeus. So we put at the end of scientific name abbreviated form of the scientist who described it for the first time. And regarding taxonomic hierarchy, so you see there are 7 taxa category. It is known as taxa. Kingdom, phylum in case of plant, animal, and division in case of plant, and then followed by class, order, family, genus, species. Species, the lowest category, and the highest is the kingdom. So as we descend down from kingdom to a species, the similar characters increases. Similarities increases as we ascend from a species to kingdom. The similar characters become less. ठीक है. तो another thing, taxonomy versus systematic. So taxonomy, I told you, is a deal with the identification, nomenclature and classification, and in addition to systematic has got broader scope in which we include phylogenetic or evolutionary relationship. This is added in case of systematic. Yani the highest evolve at the top and lowest evolve is a primitive type at the base. So there is a systematic arrangement of the taxa according to evolutionary relationship. So that's all, and these are the ICBN or ICZN, or again you have to search the full name. As I told you last time, I gave you the homework of the NCERT, and I hope you might have done. So there is two more abbreviation. Normally it is asked in the examination, NEET examination. So what is the full form? ICBN and ICZN. ठीक है, and so that's all. And the next last topic part is the taxonomic aids, है ना, aids, in which we deal with the botanical garden, zoological garden, herbarium, and है ना, museum, and so on. So with this we finish the second topic, diversity in the living world. So these are the details, है ना. Okay. Okay, thank you.